Morning students, this class is important for 4th SEM diploma electrical students and the experiment number is 4. The aim of the experiment of today's class is to study speed control of DC shunt motor by field control method. So in this experiment we will require some of the equipments listed as your screen. The first one is DC shunt motor. The specifications can be collected from the video which will be shown by me as well as Prakash sir. The field rheostat and a ammeter. Now the theory part. Student, by controlling the flux we can control the speed of a machine. So by controlling the flux we mean by controlling the amount of current sent into the field winding. Now from the relation n inversely proportional to phi, so thereby by increasing or by decreasing flux we can change the amount of speed. So let us discuss about the circuit diagram. So as you can see in your diagram, there is a shunt field motor where a rheostat is connected in series with the shunt field winding. So by controlling the shunt field we can control the amount of flux linked with the armature, thereby the speed can be controlled. Now the procedure. Now student, this procedure is written in a very brief way. You have to elaborate it in past tense, and we will discuss only the important points related to it. So the procedure is as follows. All the connection were disconnected from the mains. So you can have to rectify the spelling. Some spelling mistakes are there. So disconnected, it should be here, disconnected from the mains. Connect the rheostat in series with the field winding. Before switch on, we should check all connection thoroughly. Then external supply was fed to the shunt motor. Now student, you will draw a conclusion by observing that how the amount of resistance varied in the rheostat causes the increase or decrease in its speed. And there will be followed by some discussion questions which are as in your screen. What is the different method to control speed of a DC motor? A DC shunt motor is also called as what dash. Explain the method of speed control by field control method. You have to also explain the characteristics of DC shunt motor and what is critical resistance. Students, this is the motor. As you can see the nameplate over here. You have to write the specification of this motor. This is a DC shunt motor, and it's all the ratings should be written in your notebook. Now we will switch on this machine. So the main should be first switched on. Now the machine number here is 2. So I will put on this second motor. MCB is now put on position, and now I will just start the starter. It is a 3-point starter. So as you can see, the speed is now generated, right? And yes, this speed as you can see in your screen is 448.8 RPM. Now students, we will continue this experiment by allowing Prakash sir to regulate its speed. Sir, please.
डिजिटल टेकोमीटर थ्रू आम कौन स्पीड आम मेजरमेंट करिया जोटा कि आम स्पीड कंट्रोल मेथड आम कौन जो आम नॉर्मल स्पीड अच्छी मेसीन जो आम नॉर्मल स्पीड को कौन एबव स्पीड हम जोटा कि आम कौन फील्ड एक्रॉस गोटे आम रियोस्टाट लगाई सीरीज आम जस्ट आम रियोस्टाट को कौन भेरी करिया रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज करिया रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज कले आम कौन हम स्पीड इंक्रीज हम देखिए रेजिस्टेंस में इंक्रीज कली आम लास्ट टाइम देखिए के 448. देख पिले एवं आसमर के 302 आमर कौन जिते बड़े आम कौन रियोस्टाट रे रेजिस्टेंस इनक्रीज कले तो कौन है आमर स्पीडटा बढ़ला देन पुणी आउ टी रेजिस्टेंस इनक्रीज करिया देखिए आमर कौन स्पीड आमर बढ़ुची ना देखो ए 369 यहाँ हूँ 1369 सॉरी 300 पूरी नेक्स्ट बढ़े आमर रियोस्टाट देखिए $1442 then last कनेक्शन कौन डीसी मोटर जोड़ा कि आमर कौन आर्मेचर को आर्मेचर फील्ड साउंड फील्ड आमर साउंड फील्ड एक्रॉस देखो यहाँ हूँ साउंड फील्ड दुटा साउंड फील्ड एक्रॉस जो आमर स्टार्टर जो आमर गोटे टर्मिनाल आसी जोड़ा कि आमर फील्ड टर्मिनाल आमर कौन आमर फील्ड को लगे आमर मोटर जोड़ा कि आमर कौन रियोस्टाट फ्लोर आमर लगाई कौन फील्ड को देख सिंपली कनेक्शन किसी ये ना आमर जोड़ा कि मैंने फील्ड जो टर्मिनाल आस जोड़ा कि फील्ड रो आमर सीरीज लगे रियोस्टाट आउ गोटे आम कौन ये मेजरमेंट करने पूरा इन्वर्टर भी दरकार कि आम लगेलु कहीं दरकार पड़ना आमर किसी दरकार नहीं जोटा कि मल्टीमीटर कथा मल्टीमीटर न कौन करेन्ट मेजरमेंट करेंगे कि आम दरकार नहीं बोलिए लगा ओके
how by controlling the field resistance we can control the speed of the machine. So as sir told you, the connection is taken from here, this field terminal, to the rheostat, and then again from rheostat back to the second terminal and is back to the machine. Now let us put this machine off, and we hope that you have understood from this experience. Thank you so much.